Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, all the audio from this footage hasn't worked, so I've had to switch over to voiceover mode. My plan for today is to add some blonde highlights, but before doing that, I wanted to use a hair colour remover because I've got some banding and uneven colour, and I want to have a blank canvas to work with. I'm going to use Colour Before, which I've used loads of times. Oh, side note, I went to Tesco to buy some and it turns out they don't sell it anymore, which is very disappointing, so I had to order it on Amazon. Once I have the blank canvas, the plan is to use this Garnier Blonde dye to add highlights with. Here I'm mixing up the Colour Before and sectioning my hair. And adding a generous amount from root to tip. I'm also brushing it through to make sure it's fully saturated. Here I'm just using up the last bit and trying to get everywhere as covered in product as possible. Now I'm clipping that back and covering it up with a plastic bag to trap the heat. And here we have a very sexy look that I will be repping for the next hour. Once the hour is up, I will need to wash it for 5 minutes, use half of the buffer, which is like a shampoo, then repeat that process again. It's basically a lot of washing. So I was not expecting my hair to be this blonde. I'd forgotten how light it was when I last bleached it, because I've just been dyeing over it constantly with dark blonde and ginger. It is also, of course, very yellow, which I was expecting. I went to Tesco again to grab some toner, and of course they no longer sell that now too. So I had to go into Boots in town, and this toner was my only option. It's the Bleach London one. I needed freshly shampooed hair to apply this toner, so I've just washed it quickly. It says to start on the most yellow parts first, so I'm focusing on the top layer because it's most visible, so probably the area I want to be the most toned. After the top section, I'm not being so precise, but doing my best to make sure my hair's thoroughly coated. I left this on for 20 minutes and washed off and conditioned. I'm now comparing footage from before and after the toner, and to be honest, I don't see much difference, so maybe my hair's just not light enough for this toner. I think maybe there's the slightest bit of reduction in the yellow, but it's kind of hard to tell because it's curly and then it's straight and it just looks different, so yeah. So this is my result after stripping back my hair to its real shade under all the previous dyes I had going on. There's still a small amount of banding, but I think it's fainter, so that's good enough for me. So I had been planning to add some blonde highlights, but I honestly wasn't expecting my hair to be this light, and I don't actually want to bleach it anymore. I think it's light enough, and I just don't want to compromise the condition of my hair. It still feels nice and healthy, and I don't want to break it off. So in my next video, I will be adding some low lights, so stay tuned for that. But my current goal is to keep my hair healthy, get some dimension, and I want to grow it way longer. So feel free to join me on that journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!